summertime, Sandy.
It sure is.
And we are here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg to cover the Summer of Wonder.
Ooh, I can't wait. It's something new, right?
Well, Busch Gardens always does a summer type festival.
Okay.
And we're here to show you our guide to it all. The rides, ways to beat the heat, what's new, what's old, and so much more on this Adventure That Rocks. One thing new this summer is the Loch Ness Monster is back, Sandy.
Oh, yeah.
Let's ride it and then hear Sandy's thoughts. Sandy just rode it.
Yeah.
What'd you think?
So definitely smoother, a lot of fun. But take your glasses off if you want to see the Loch Ness in the tunnel. I love that tunnel, by the way. And yeah, definitely sit on the right side because, boy, did you get a scare from the Loch Ness Monster. Now, my legs might have grown because my knees were right up against the seat.
You've gotten taller.
I think I've got taller. That was the only thing. That was pretty cool. I enjoyed it.
In Ireland, you'll notice these fun butterfly sculptures floating through the air. Sandy, look, there's tons of ways to cool off. Like in this nice fountain right here. I'll just lean back in. What?
They're gonna think you're trying to get the pot of gold in there.
Oh, I want the pot of gold. During the summer, it gets awfully hot, Sandy.
Oh yeah, it does.
Maybe people want a place to cool off in air conditioning.
Yeah, indoors.
We recommend Celtic Fire.
Yeah, that's a great show.
It is a fantastic show.
Very high energy, just the performers are incredible.
And the AC is blasting.
It is good deal.
Every Saturday, there's a free concert out here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg, Sandy.
Yeah, and they have some really good names. Brett Michaels is gonna be here.
Flow Rider's gonna be here. Creedence Clearwater Revival. We the Kingdom. Check the website for all those dates.
Yep.
And get here early for a good seat.
Yes.
Summer is definitely in full swing. They must love their umbrellas in France. Here's a summer tip. If you stand against the rails of Griffon, you're gonna get wet.
Yeah. And even like, if you stand far enough away, there's a nice mist that will cool you down for about 5 seconds.
Near Griffon is this cool summer stage, and be sure to stop by and take advantage of some of those fun summer activities. To give you a preview of some of the Summer Wonder cocktails, Tequila Sunrise, Watermelon Mojito, and they do have non-alcoholic Watermelon Limeade, Rosewater, Raspberry Mocktails.
Thank you very much.
And there is the Tequila Sunrise. Here is the Watermelon Limeade. There's definitely air conditioning inside the candy store. Wink, wink.
I've never been in there.
Neither have I, but I heard they got some great candy in there, Sandy.
Candy.
And air conditioning. This sign says it all right here. Free beer, or 50 cents for all guests, from now until August 11th. Sandy's got some food for the summer. What do you have, Sandy? What is this?
Whatever the sauce is, it's so good. It's cauliflower.
Uh-huh.
You have fried cauliflower, and that's sweet potato fries. And that's a donut with Cocoa Puffs on it.
Ooh, I love me some Cocoa Puffs. Another way to beat the heat is Dark Coaster, Sandy.
Yeah, the queue is so cool.
And it's
Literally.
an indoor roller coaster in the air conditioning.
Yep.
Do you have what it takes to brave the storm? Let's find out.
I gotta say, there's something about riding a roller coaster in the air conditioning.
It's so nice, especially on this hot day.
It cools you off real quick.
Now let's go outside again.
Another way to beat that summer heat is inside Fest House. update on the Busch Gardens Summer of Wonder mural. If you see the end of the H with all these pink dots, that's me.
Remember, don't look back as you brave the Black Forest.
In the candy shop in England for the summer, check out these cereal donuts. You looks like you got a favorite, you gotta let us know, because as you know, I'm a huge fan of Cocoa Puffs. That's right, it's not a joke. I do go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
Really
Ask
does.
Sandy.
He definitely does.
Escape the Pompeii, there's two ways to get wet. One, being on the ride, or standing and just observing. Next up, Sandy's gonna try the watermelon mojito. Not to be confused with the tequila sunrise, she downed very quickly.
So good. It's so refreshing.
While out here at Busch Gardens during the summer, as you know, it might get a little crowded, and maybe you need a place to kick back and relax. Sandy has found that place behind the bird aviary. Let me turn the camera around. Sorry for the sun glare, but look back here what we found. Starting with Sandy, check out these seats that happen to be in the shade. So it's definitely much cooler than out in the park. They even have a covered gazebo. And you're surrounded by the sound of hummingbirds. This is sanctuary right here. Isn't that right, Sandy? She gives a thumbs up. Did we miss any of the summer coverage out here at Busch Gardens, Sandy?
Yeah, look, American Jukebox. It's an amazing show.
It's the summer remix, and it's only performed during the summer.
Yeah, and you said you do not want to miss show. In fact, I would come to Busch Gardens just for the show. It's so good.
Let's watch some clips from the show. Chance to cover everything out here at Busch Gardens for the summer.
That's because there's so much to do. But guess what?
What?
We'll be back.
I hope so, because like we're even standing in a huge splash area.
Yeah, and they're usually performing right there. The Elmo and Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster's got a great dance moves.
And they got the Roman Rapids Tube Ride that we didn't even have time to get over to that area. Pantheon, a coaster they just opened like 2 years ago. There's just so much going on out here at Busch Gardens for the summer. You're right, we gotta come back.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed this brief look at Busch Gardens Summer of Wonder. If you haven't hit that like and subscribe yet,
What you waiting for?
because you really never know where we're gonna end up next, but you can be sure if it has anything the ride caught my attention having to do with rides, fun, entertainment, we're gonna be here at Busch Gardens making it an adventure that rocks. I wanna go on that, Sandy.
What did you see? Oh, I see what caught your attention. That's great.
Looking for more fun photos and maybe little mini videos that we didn't include in this video you're watching now?
Be sure to check out our TikTok, our Instagram, and our Facebook pages.
And we're gonna put those links also in the description down below.